The easiest way to make money online in 2026 isn't starting a business, becoming an influencer, or trading crypto. It's selling a skill that takes less than 30 days to learn and can earn $500 to $2,000 a month from a laptop. While millions of people chase viral success, some are quietly getting paid every week for simple online services. Stay to the end, the last point will actually change how you handle money. In the next few minutes, you'll learn the fastest skill to monetize online, how to find clients without spending money on ads, and the mistake that keeps most beginners stuck at zero income. Let's get into it. Here's a crazy statistic: thousands of businesses post content every single day, yet many owners don't have time to create it themselves. That's why simple services like short-form video editing, AI-assisted content writing, and social media management are exploding. A beginner editor charging just $25 per video only needs 20 videos a month to make $500. The best part is that learning basic editing can take just a few weeks with free tools and tutorials online. For someone frustrated with slow income growth, that's a huge opportunity, but learning a skill isn't enough. The real challenge is getting someone to pay you, and that's where most people get stuck. Most people think they need a website, a logo, and a perfect portfolio before making money online. The reality is the opposite. Someone with a fancy website and zero clients earns $0, while another person with a simple sample project and 5 paying clients could earn $750 a month charging only $150 each. Before, people spent months preparing. After, successful beginners spend a weekend creating samples and start messaging potential clients immediately. That shift changes everything. And there's one surprisingly simple strategy that makes finding clients much easier. Quick question: what if making money online had less to do with talent and more to do with solving expensive problems? Think about it like a leaking roof. Nobody pays a roofer because roofs are exciting. They pay because water damage could cost thousands of dollars. Businesses think the same way. If your service helps a company generate an extra $1,000 in sales or saves 10 hours per week, paying you $200 suddenly feels cheap. That's why the highest earners focus on results instead of features. But before you rush out and start pitching clients, there's a warning you need to hear. Before you do anything else, you need to hear this. The biggest online money trap in 2026 is spending hundreds of dollars on courses, software, and subscriptions before earning your first dollar. Imagine spending $500 on tools and training, then quitting after 30 days because you never found a client. That's not investing. That's burning money. Start with free tools, free education, and a simple offer. Protect your cash until the market proves someone will actually pay you. I was saving this for another video, but since you made it this far, track every dollar you earn online separately. Seeing your first $100 grow into $500 is incredibly motivating and keeps momentum alive. Remember, learn a valuable skill, solve real problems, and avoid spending money too early. Money follows value, but only if you take action. If this gave you even one idea that could change your financial future, hit subscribe. I drop new money tips every week, the kind your school never taught you. Comment below, tell me which point hit you hardest. I read every single one.